Boys and girls, welcome to JSEL, and my name is Miss Doyle, and I just thought I'd send you a video just to kind of give you an idea of what to look forward to on Tuesday. And parents, this might help you as well. So, boys and girls, I have sent this plan, and it's a week at a glance plan to your parents and guardians, and it shows you what we're going to do during the week. Monday, you do not have school, but parents, you've signed up for a meeting. If you didn't get the email, maybe look in the trash or the different areas in your computer email because sometimes it's not coming through. But most of you, I believe, received it. So you signed up for a parent meeting just to set a goal and get to meet me. And Tuesday, our first class meeting is going to be at 9:30. Please click on this link to get to the meeting. And please be on time, boys and girls, because we have a tight schedule and I want to honor everybody's time. And I'd love it if you would come to class, our first meeting, with your favorite book that starts with the first letter of your name. So if it were for me, my name's Miss Doyle, D, I would bring Dr. Seuss, um, the book on dogs, and I can't remember the name of it right now. But bring your favorite book to our class meeting.